Today I'm going to teach you how to export or download a CSV file from Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to share data with others who might not use Google Sheets, or when you need to import your spreadsheet data into other applications that work with CSV format. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're on this page, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Enter your email address and password to access your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google Sheets files are stored and organized. After logging in, you'll see your Workspace dashboard displaying all your spreadsheets and documents. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet that you want to export as a CSV file. Once you've found it, simply click on that spreadsheet to open it. The sheet will load in a new window showing you all the data and content you've been working on. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and what you're looking for is the File menu. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your spreadsheet. This menu contains all the essential functions for saving, sharing, and exporting your work. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Download option and click on it. This will open a submenu showing you all the different file formats that Google Sheets can export to. You'll see options like Microsoft Excel, PDF, and various other formats that you can choose from depending on your needs. In this submenu, locate and click on comma-separated values or .csv. This is the standard CSV format that's widely compatible with most applications and programs. As soon as you click this option, Google Sheets will begin processing your spreadsheet and converting it into a CSV file. The download will start automatically, and depending on the size of your spreadsheet, this might take a few moments to complete. You'll typically see a download notification in your browser, and the file will be saved to your default downloads folder. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Google Sheets spreadsheet as a CSV file. This file can now be opened in Excel, imported into databases, or used with any other application that accepts CSV format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.